Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 13 by 7 foot by 39.5-inch rectangle frame swimming pool set. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with ladder, Type D filter cartridge, and repair patch kit, and with its durable steel and PVC design, it handles around 2,000 gallons of water. Product benefits: comes with a 110 to 120 volt filter pump with GFCI, made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and a durable rust-resistant metal frame. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.